Hey guys, Mix here, and in today's video we're going to be doing a couple things. First, I want to update you guys with the RM125. So as you guys know from last video, I took off everything inside to get to all the shifting assembly, and I took off all this and just checked it all out to see if anything looked bad. And nothing looked bad at all. So I put it all back together yesterday off camera, just because I just wanted to test it out. But still, now it's super stiff. I don't know, and like it gets stuck down there. And it's like the shift pawl isn't like getting traction, I guess you could say, with the shift drum. It might need a new shift pawl. That's what I'm thinking. I looked at a diagram and I had everything installed perfectly correct. So it's got to be a broken or, you know, some type of part error. So I'm going to be looking into that and check out the prices for everything so we can get this thing running and driving. But today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, something that I haven't done in a while, and we are going to be doing a moto vlog. So I haven't done that in forever, and we're going to be taking out the quad. I have never taken it out on the street yet or anything, but we're gonna try and tear it up, maybe with some wheelies, see how fast it is, because I never really even been able to open it up. It should be pretty fun. We'll get this thing all ready to go, put some fuel in it, adjust the tire pressures. I haven't done a video with the quad in a while, but it's still running super good. The paint's peeling off more, but we are definitely gonna paint this thing and just restore it up a little bit. All right, that should be enough fuel. So one of the tires in the back have a small leak. Yeah, as you can tell, it's a little flat, and the other one holds air and everything. But when I'm in a wheelie, if they're not equal in pressure, you know, it likes to steer around a lot. So got to make sure that they're both equal so we go nice and straight. I'll pull it out quick. What I use to blow up the tires is this sweet Airhawk Pro. This thing is amazing. It's got a PSI reader, and you could change like all the units, I guess. You can have it stop at like a certain PSI. Like if I kept it at 35, then it would stay at 35. This thing is amazing. Highly suggest getting it if you want a wireless air pump. So I let it inflate to about 17 PSI, and it is rock solid right now. We'll put this back on. And now we'll inflate the other one to 17 PSI. So now both tires are nice and equal, so now we should go nice and straight. So I'm super excited, and I'll catch you guys with the GoPro. Alright, so never mind. We have a problem with the quad, of course, the one time I want to record a video with it. So I just want to start it up, and it's just clicking. So if you guys watched when we got this thing running, there was a problem with the solenoids with the two wires touching, and it was making it make that noise. So my little setup that I did, I don't know if you guys can see it, with the zip ties and everything like that. So there could be a bad connection somewhere where the two wires could be touching. So I'm gonna try and, you know, mess around with it and see if I could get this thing to crank. So I just fixed it up. The connection to the starter over here was bad, so I just moved it together and it started right up. I did mess around with that for a little while. Then I saw it sparking over here when I moved it, so that was our problem. Now I'll catch you guys on the GoPro. Alrighty, so take two. The first time did not come out good. Alrighty, so as I was just saying, I recorded before, but the footage looked like this. There we go. So come back out, and hopefully it looks better. So that's a lesson learned. I never really have luck with GoPros, but I don't know, because I washed the case before, so I think all the condensation and everything just didn't dry good enough. But we're gonna try and tear up the streets a little bit, practice some wheelies. I only have one glove on because, you know, when I put on a glove on the brake hand, it just like makes my hand all tight. I get really bad arm pump. I should be a little bit better with that. I have a blister on my finger that I used to break from wheeling. And before I was having problems with the tires being not equal. So I want to go straight. Bottom end it's not bad, but top end, when I give it full throttle, it's just like red line. So I need to do a little bit before red line, and it'll kind of cruise a little bit. Not the fastest though. See, stay there. Oh, dang it. Dang it. Doesn't have enough power to keep me up. There we go. gotta keep practicing a little bit so I get it down. Running out of gear. What I like about this quad is about how quiet it is, that I can just like ride around without needing to worry about noise complaints or anything like that. I still gotta watch out for the cops, because around here they're really strict about dirt bikes and quads on the streets and everything. But we out here practicing our wheelies, having a good time. I'm gonna try and launch with a seat stander. Well, half seat stander, 1 foot on. There we go. See, it's going too much to the left. In my last clip, I was adjusting the tires a lot, like in the last try of recording. I mean, this is the best it's gonna get, because that one tire on my left side that has a small leak, it just keeps going down, down and down, so I can't really do anything much about it. Oh, dang, hit the rear brake just a little bit too hard. I had a little floater there. When I'm in a floater, I might be able to take off one hand, but I don't think I'm ready for one-handers or no-handers. But they go like this, I don't think I'm ready for that. So practice some combos.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They going to school and they working a job but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box, nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool but they not new. Whoa, look how I go, don't be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all along, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
I'm gonna try and adjust the right tire a little bit, just lower it down a little, just so we can at least go a little bit straight. Just use the cap to push it down. Alright, that should be a little bit better. Still going to the side. This thing's pretty dang agile. The bottom end, like it'll kick you back a little with the bottom end, but top end is just totally trash. Still really fun though. The brakes are amazing. It'll skirt them. Let's try and go pretty far. Ran out of gear. Comment down below if you guys want to see more moto vlogs and like wheelies and just stuff on the streets and everything, because summertime is pretty much here, so there's definitely going to be more riding with the whole squad and everything, so it should be really fun on-road, off-road, you know, just everywhere. I'm still going to have the builds obviously because I love doing them. Oh, there's a floater. Thumb off the throttle. Man, I could probably wheelie this whole entire street if it didn't keep turning to the side like that. I mean, for a little Chinese quad, it does put around pretty good. I mean, for how cheap I got it, I mean, I can't complain. It's so worth you know, the amount of fun that you get on it, and it does run pretty good. It starts right up. I mean, Chinese quads always have that electrical problem, so I'm not surprised how we were having that problem before. I think we just have a bad ground. That was a cop for a sec. Mini heart attack. Let's see if I can steer it in. No, I can't do that. Holy cow, is that a cop behind me? I can't tell. I think that might be a cop, I'm not sure. Ooh, okay, it's not. God. Oh, there's a cop right there in the driveway. Oh, God. I hope to get really good one day so I can just like hop around in the seat and go to ride outs and everything, because that would be so much fun. I always wanted to go to a ride out. I'm probably going to take this thing to the trails, the one that we brought the mini bikes to. It'll probably be really fun to drift around there because there's sand and everything in there that the bikes don't do too well on, but I'm sure the quad will do pretty good in the sand. And there's a whole quad donut place. So we could do donuts around like a fire or something. I don't know, something cool. You hear like a rattle or something. I don't know. That's alright. That guy was staring right at it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna close it off for the streets, just so I don't get, you know, don't push my luck with the cops or anything. But I'll catch you guys back in the yard and I can show you guys how I am on the grass. Alright, so now we're in the back. I'll show you guys how much different it is. Like, it's so much easier. Like I could just go from right here. Ready, watch this. It comes right up. Alrighty, did pretty good. She's a little slow, but still pretty fun. Alright guys, so we are back on the camera, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be concluding it here. I'm going to be looking into parts for the RM 125 so we can get this thing finished. Comment down below if you guys liked the quad wheelies and just the motor vlogs in general. I used to do motor vlogs like all the time. I used to ride every day on the streets back in the beginning of this channel. Hopefully we get better at wheelies. Maybe we can do some mods to the quad to get it good. Practice makes perfect, and we'll be scraping this little 12 bar in no time. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, friends with the channel.